من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today, inshallah, we will learn Surah الناس. Surah الناس is again, as you can tell, Makkiyah surah, so revealed before the migration to Medina, and this is the last surah of Qur'an. قل أعوذ برب الناس. If I compare the first ayah of this surah with the first ayah of last surah, you see there is only one word that is different. Over there it was falaq, and over here it is nas. So we should know the meaning of the first four words. Anyway, qul, we can revise it. Qul, can anybody tell the first word, the chapter, and what qul is? Right, good. Qala yakulu bab ajwa. What is qul? Madi mudari amar nahi. What is it? Amr. Amr. Qala means he said. Qul means say. Next word is a'udhu. This is again a verb and a fail. What is the first word for this one? Anybody remember?
يعوذ.
Hadha ya'udhu. So what would be the chapter then?
باب أجوف.
Bab ajwaf again. So they are both bab ajwaf, qul and a'udhu. And they're both the same type actually. Qala yakulu. Aza, he sought refuge. And a'udhu, I seek refuge. This is mudari, the second last word in the mudari column. Say, I seek refuge, be with Rabb, Lord or Master. And Nas, Nas means people. Nas means people.
You mean mankind?
Yeah, you can say mankind. Yeah. Say, I seek refuge. I seek protection with the Lord of the people. Malik in Nas. Malik. Malik means king. But at this point, I will mention a few other words which are similar in structure, but different in meaning. Like in Surah Fatiha, we learned the word Maliki Yawmiddin. So the word was Malik. Malik means owner. Malik means owner. Owner of the day of the judgment. At that time, we translated that ayah as. Then another word which is similar is Malak. Like Malakul Maut. Malak means angel. And this Malik means king. So remember the difference between these words. Then there is another word, milk, from milk, like milkiya, which refers to ownership. Ownership, to own something. So Malik, the owner, Malak, the angel, and Malik, king. King of the people. Ilahin nas. Ilah, the same ilah, which comes in La ilaha illallah. La ilaha. Over there it was ilaha. Here it is ilahi, but it is the same word. What did we translate this word as in La ilaha illallah? So ilaha,
There is absolutely no God.
Yeah, God or deity of worthy of worship. So for easy translation, we can say God. God. Ilahin nas, God of the people. Min sharril waswasil khannas. Min, everybody should know this word by now. Min means
From.
from. Yeah, sharri is the same sharri which came before, you know, in the previous ayah. Min sharri ma khalaq, min sharri ghasikin iza waqab, min sharri wa min sharri. It came so many times. So sharri means
Evil.
evil. Evil. This is the opposite of khair. Khair means good. Yeah, and this is the opposite of khair, means shar. Shar means evil rather. Al-waswas. Al-waswas is the one who whispers, gives ideas. Like whisper, waswas is a mubalagha, is it an intensive case, the one who whispers again and again. In Urdu, we use the word waswasa dalna, to put an idea in somebody's mind, that you should do that. So waswas is someone who does that on routine basis. This is what his job is, to put ideas in people's mind. Min sharril waswas, from the evil of the whisperer. Waswas is the whisperer, and it is, as I said, a whisperer who does that again and again and again. Al-Khannas. Khannas is from Khanasa. Khanasa yakhnusu. Khanasa means he retreated. He went back. Khanasa yakhnusu khunusun. To go back, to hide. And from here, what will be the chapter? Khanasa, first of all. Khanasa yakhnusu. What chapter that would be and what level?
Nasara yansuru.
Nasara yansuru, yes. And what will be the ism file? Ismul file. Somebody tell me, what is the ismul file?
Nasir, nasirun, nasirin.
No, Tanjeen. For khanasa.
Khanis.
Khanis.
Khanis,
Khanis. Right?
khanisin.
Very good. So khanis is the whisperer. Khanasa, khannas. So I said khanasa means the one who, khanasa means he went back. So what is khanis? The one who goes back. And khannas is the one who goes back, or the one who retreats again and again. It's like Ghaffar, Sajjad, Hammad, Khannas. You have to pay attention how this word sounds. All these words I just mentioned, they are called Ismul Mubalagha. There is intensity in it. There is higher intensity in it. And it represents of an action which happens again and again, or happens at a higher intensity. So Khannas is the one who goes back, or the one who retreats again and again from the evil of the whisperer, the one who retreats again and again. Meaning he retreats and then come back. Then he goes, retreats, then he comes back again. So we can also say from the evil of the whisperer. And what kind of whisperer it is? The one who retreats, the one who sneaks and retreats. Like sneaks up when he finds an opportunity to put waswasa in somebody's mind, and then he retreats for some reason. We will talk about that. From the evil of the whisperer who sneaks and retreats again and again. Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Alladhi, the one who yuwaswisu, he whispers. He whispers. Inshallah, at one stage we will learn this word also. This is a verb. This is the first word of mudari. Yuwaswisu means he whispers. Fi, in. Sudur. Sudur is the plural of sadr. Sadr means chest. Sudur, chests. Sudur innasi, chests of the people. The one who whispers in the chests of the people. This is talking about the waswas, the one who whispers a lot, the one who whispers again and again. So one characteristic, it is a khannas. And this is the other characteristic of that, the one who whispers in the chest of the people. Minal jinnati wan nas. And those the whisperer could be from the jinn, from the jinn. Jinn is another
You please
creation
slow
of Allah.
down.
Okay. Minal jinnati wan nas. Min means from. Al jinnah. Al jinnah means another creation of Allah, which is called jinn, which is different from human, and it is made out of fire. From the jinn wa and an-nas, the people. From the jinn and the people. Say, I seek refuge with the Lord of the people, King of the people, God of the people, from the evil of the whisperer, the one who sneaks and retreats, the one who whispers in the chests of the people, from the jinn and the people. Any question?
Can you repeat?
Sorry?
Can you repeat? Can you repeat?
Say, I seek refuge with the Lord of the people, King of the people, God of the people, from the evil of the whisperer, the one who sneaks and retreats again and again, the one who whispers in the chests of the people, from the jinn and the people.
I have one question. Did I miss anything for when I was away last weekend?
Obviously you did.
Because I was away in Toronto last weekend.
Yeah, there are recordings of previous week, so you can review those. And if you don't understand anything after seeing or watching those videos, then you can ask question in the class. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so Allah is talking about the waswas. Who's waswas here? Anybody knows who's waswas?
Shaitan.
Shaitan. And what is the characteristic of shaitan? Shaitan sneaks and retreats. When does the shaitan retreat? Question. And when does it sneak on people?
When they have an opportunity.
Okay.
Like when they have a chance.
And how you can make a shaitan retreat? Yeah, you take the name of Allah and then he would retreat. So he's always looking for an opportunity to come close to you, to sneak up on you. So if you are ignorant, you are just by yourself, or you are ignorant of you're not busy in taking the name of Allah or doing zikr of Allah, then he will sneak up on you and start putting bad ideas in your mind. But if you take the name of Allah, say A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem, or do some other ways of taking the name of Allah, then he will retreat, he will run away. But he will come back, always looking for an opportunity. So that is shaitan. And shaitan could be from the jinn kind, and from the mankind. It could be One of the two. There are no other questions. We could go to the breakout room now.